When your twist out is not stiff and it's moving, that's the goal. So if you move your head so, and then you move it back so, everybody just go back in a place. You don't have to worry, so you come so, and then when you hold back down your head, it just stay over there so. It actually go back in place. Do you see that? Yeah. Twist out goes.
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful though, you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
GWAAN KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a twist out. So these twists are 6 days old. If you want to see how I did these mini twists, I'm gonna leave the video link down below in the description box. Trust me, it looked way better. It's been 6 days, and also the shrinkage is real. My hair looks really dry right now, but when I did it, it looked so juicy, moisturized. Just go check out my last video. I'll leave the link down below for that. Just want little TLC. So what I'm gonna do to give my twist a little life, to do my twist out, because I need to get my twist back alive and ready. I know my hair looking a little crazy right now, but let's just get into this video to get this bomb twist out. So the products I'll be using, first product is SILK2 Natural Perfection Perfect Roots. This is a scalp and root nourishment product. I know I do this all the time with hair products. The smell, that's the first thing that gets my attention. The smell of hair products. Anyways, let me read what it says on the container. The condition of the scalp begins at the root and extends upward to the skin. Protecting the scalp and the root means protecting the hair. True. What's in this product? I can barely see. Yo, I'm gonna show you the words how small it is because I can barely see. It has jojoba oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, etc. So this company reached out to me and sent me a couple of their products for me to use and review. By the way, this video wasn't sponsored. Nope, it was not sponsored. So I'm just gonna be using this product to oil my scalp before I do my twist out. I have dry scalp, really bad dry scalp, especially now that it is winter. It's bad. I have to keep my scalp moisturized at all times. So next product I'll be using is the Perfect Oil SILK2 Natural Perfection. It's a braid and natural hair styling system. I'm just reading what's here. It's perfectly light, it perfectly protects, it's perfect nutrition for your hair and scalp. The light spray-on, no build-up formula is perfect for on-the-go types with little time for intensive care. With a quick and simple daily misting, you can say goodbye to itch and dull hair. The SILK2 name is your assurance that you can't buy anything better. There are many uses for the Perfect Oil. Try these. Use as a moisture seal after the Perfect Moisture Braid and Natural Hair Spray. I don't have that. Use as a quick leave-in scalp treatment to control itch and dryness. That's what my hair needs. Itching, dry scalp, it's really bad. Number 3, use at night as a silky mist to reduce scarf and pillow friction. Sounds good. It has safflower oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, and the list go on. SILK2. So I'm just gonna be spraying this all over my twist to see if I could get some moisture. Smells pretty good. Ooh, my God. Does my twist look a little moisturized now? Let me know down in the comment section. How are they looking? I feel like a natty dread. Alright, so let's start this twist out. And I don't mind them cock off things here. Them are gonna get fixed, like proper fix. These are the mini twists, so it's gonna take a little minute. Almost there, almost. Alright, so I'm gonna be using a little bit of gel. So I'm gonna be putting a little bit of gel on the edges just to get them smooth. Now I'm gonna be using these little clips, these little pins that I got from Shein. I have a video with all these hair clips on my channel, so you can check those out. I will leave the link down below as well. Boss $. Just giving my twist out a little spice with these little clips. So I'm just doing an effortless twist out, just something simple. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the perfect oil just to give it a little more sheen. What I can say about these products is the SOOO scalp and root nourishment. It's my first time using it, so I can't say much right now about this product. I'll give you guys updates in videos coming up. I'll let you guys know how this works for my dry scalp, for my itchy scalp. The perfect oil, I can say this is very lightweight. It doesn't make my hair feel greasy. It smells really good. They both smell really good. I can say that. Even though it's lightweight, it's giving a little shine to my hair. When your twist out is not stiff and it's moving, that's the goal. You don't want no stiff twist out. So if you move your head so and then you move it back so, everybody just go back in a place. You don't have to worry. So you come so, and then when you over back down your head, it just stay over there, so it actually go back in place. Do you see that? Yeah. Twist out goes. Go.